Are you tired of your car's audio system sounding flat and lifeless? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Boss Audio CH3220B. The Boss Audio System's CH3220B Chaos Series speakers caught my eye right away, especially with the price tag of just $31.62. If you want a budget-friendly way to boost your car's audio, this is worth a serious look. These speakers boast a maximum output power of 140 watts, so you can crank up the volume without losing sound quality. With a frequency response ranging from 100 Hz to 18 kHz, you'll hear those rich lows and sparkling highs that make your music enjoyable. The coaxial design means you get both mid-range and high frequencies from a single unit, making installation a breeze. Plus, the sensitivity rating of 88 decibels means they can produce decent sound levels even with lower-powered factory systems. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've been frustrated with your factory speakers, these will deliver a more dynamic listening experience without breaking the bank. Now, some people complained about the build quality, saying they felt a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting a solid upgrade to your audio experience, especially if you're just looking to replace worn-out factory speakers. If you're expecting high-end sounds, then yes, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable upgrade that still packs a punch. Skip this one if you're an audiophile looking for the absolute best sound. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if the Boss's quality concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Kicker 46CSC3544. Product number 3, Magnetic Chess Game. Now, let's talk about the Magnetic Chess Game, priced at around $18.92. What drew me in was its portability and the unique magnetic feature. If you enjoy strategic games that really make you think, this one's worth a look. This game takes classic chess and adds an exciting twist with the magnetic stones that attract each other. You take turns placing stones upright in a rope, trying to be the first to use them all without triggering attraction. This tension makes each turn exciting, which is great for keeping both of you on your toes. It's designed for ages 4 and up, so you can even share it with the kids, making it a versatile family activity. With 4,000 units sold last month, it's clear it's popular. Now, a few reviews mention that the game might feel a bit simplistic for seasoned chess players, but here's the thing, it's meant to be a fun twist rather than a replacement for traditional chess, making it perfect for casual game nights. This is perfect for you if you're a fan of strategic games that are also fun and engaging. Skip this if you're looking for a hardcore chess experience. For under $20, it's a creative and entertaining option. Now, if you want something more focused on connection rather than competition, the next game should definitely catch your attention. Product number 3, Jumper 16-inch Convertible Laptop. The Jumper 16-inch convertible laptop comes in at $1,017.84. What really stood out for me was its 360-degree touchscreen design that allows you to use it in multiple modes. If you want a laptop that adapts to your creative needs, this is definitely worth considering. With a quad-core N95 processor that can boost up to 3.4 GHz and 16 GB of RAM, this laptop provides ample power for running design programs smoothly. The 16-inch display with 1920 by 1200 resolution ensures that your artwork pops with vivid colors. The convertible design lets you switch from laptop to tablet mode effortlessly, which is essential for artists who might want to draw directly on the screen. Plus, it comes preloaded with Office 365, so you can get started on your projects immediately. With over 200 sales recently, it's gaining popularity among creators. However, some users have noted that the battery life could be better. Here's the thing. While it may not last all day under heavy use, it's still manageable for a few hours of focused work, which is typical for many powerful laptops. This is perfect for you if you want versatility in your workspaces. Skip this one if long battery life is your top priority. Given its features, I think it represents good value for those who need that flexibility. Now, if the jumper's price tag is too high for your liking, don't worry. The next one is a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 4, Kenwood KFC 835C. The Kenwood KFC 835C speakers come in at a budget-friendly $31, making them a tempting option. If you want reliable sound without spending a lot, this is worth a serious look. With a maximum power of 40 watts and frequency response from 96 Hz to 20 kHz, these speakers deliver decent sound for the price. The whizzer cone helps project sound, which means you'll catch those higher frequencies better than you would with many low-end speakers. The sensitivity rating of 89 decibels gives you a little extra volume without needing a powerful amplifier. Here's why this matters for you. If you're upgrading from basic factory speakers, these will definitely enhance your listening experience without a hefty investment. However, some complaints mention that the sound can be a bit flat when pushed to higher volumes. I'll be honest, if you're a bass lover or like to play your music loud, this might not cut it for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a basic upgrade without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're a serious audiophile who needs powerful bass. For casual listening, they offer good value. And if you want a speaker that boasts a bit more power, check out the Hifonics Zeus ZS35CX. Product number 5, Hifonics Zeus ZS35CX. The Hifonics Zeus ZS35CX speakers are priced at just $27.43, making them the most affordable option on this list. If you want powerful sound without spending too much, this is worth a serious look. These speakers have a maximum output of 125 watts, which is impressive for a 3.5-inch speaker. With a frequency response up to 20 kHz, they handle mid-bass and highs smoothly thanks to a passive Butterworth crossover. The Neo Mylar Dome tweeter is designed to handle impacts, ensuring you get reliable sound quality. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for budget-friendly speakers that still deliver on sound quality, these could be your go-to. Some users reported that the build quality feels less premium than others, but I'll be real with you. For the price, you're still getting strong performance that outshines many pricier options. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want decent sound. Skip this one if you prefer a more premium feel and look. For the money, they're a solid choice. Now let's wrap things up and compare all these options. After reviewing all 5 speakers, here's the quick rundown. The Boss CH3220B is perfect if you want an affordable upgrade, while the Kicker 46CSC354 excels in clarity and performance. JBL GX328 offers style alongside great sound. Kenwood CFC835C is ideal for budget-conscious buyers, and Hifonics Zeus ZS35CX packs a punch without breaking the bank. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Kicker 46CSC354 because of its balance between performance and price. Avoid the Kenwood CFC835C if you're looking for powerful bass. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.